Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make sea moss oil. This easy method allows you to create a beneficial product right in your own kitchen. We will cover everything from gathering your simple ingredients to the final storage of your homemade oil. You will learn how to prepare the sea moss, infuse it gently, and then strain it for a pure, potent oil. Get ready to enhance your self-care routine with this natural wonder. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need approximately 1 cup of high-quality dried sea moss. For your carrier oil, select about 2 cups of a nourishing option like jojoba, sweet almond, or extra virgin olive oil. Before starting, it is crucial to thoroughly clean your sea moss and ensure it is completely dry. This preparation step is vital for a pure and effective final product. Now, let's move to the gentle infusion process. Combine your prepared dried sea moss and carrier oil in a clean, heat-safe glass jar. Place this jar into a double boiler or a slow cooker set to its lowest temperature. Allow the mixture to infuse slowly for at least 3 to 4 hours. Remember to stir it occasionally to ensure even distribution and optimal extraction of the sea moss's beneficial properties. Once your oil has infused, let it cool completely to room temperature. This cooling step is important before straining. Next, carefully strain the oil through a fine mesh sieve lined with cheesecloth to separate all the sea moss solids. Gently squeeze out every last drop of that precious oil. Finally, transfer your beautiful, homemade sea moss oil into a dark, airtight bottle. Stored properly, it will last for several months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.